December 16th, 2021. This one here I got a call from, seems like a new customer. He's got no heat. I believe it's either propane. I think it's got probably propane furnace. But we're going over there now and see what's going on with it. It's from Westport, so either they got oil over there or propane in Westport. They don't have a lot of natural gas over there. Little town. Try to get you some shots if I can when I get over there. Miss Molly, you working again, Miss Molly? You're working again, Miss Molly. Miss Molly's working again, y'all. Oh, we got a Powerventer there. It's not running.
It runs when the hot water warms up the water. It kicks in.
Yeah, just okay. So it does run with that.
Yeah.
Well, we got zone valves here. We got here.
We got that one.
Yeah, we got zone valves. You got all the thermostats turned down?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll turn them up.
Okay.
See what's going
on. The other
on.
one on the top there.
Yeah, all right. Turn them up.
Okay.
You can turn them down after. Be a pilot. Pilot out. Yeah, we got here. So where'd you get my number?
How?
Huh?
I used to watch you on YouTube.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so it is a pilot. Let's see if the pilot's out. Could be out. Natural gas, right?
Yeah.
You got gas in the house?
Yeah, it's all, everything is gas.
Have you paid the bill?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta ask, you'd be surprised. Sometimes, you know, yeah, the pilot's out. No, it's pilot's on. Pilot's on. Pilot's on. There we go, power. Could be that damper. That damper control, I bet you. So you watch me on YouTube, huh?
Yeah. So, when I'm not doing anything, I watch. And I don't know what happened. I think my grandson he played with the thing. Your website disappeared out of the YouTube.
Let's see.
I gotta put it back somehow.
We even got power here. 13. There goes the Powerventer. There is a vacuum switch up there that might be an issue. Let's see if we can find out what's going on here with this thing. Uh, 110 there. 110 there. Yeah, so I got the common. Common is here. This. Only 18, but I should still fire it, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the gas valve. 19. Where's this black go? Black goes up to this rollout switch up here. Might have just been a bad connection at the rollout switch there or something.
Kicked in,
Huh?
It just kicked in.
Did it kick in?
Yeah.
I moved this rollout switch here and it kicked in. These connections might have been a little wimpy here. Just enough to not give it 24 volts, you know?
Yeah.
That 19, that's kind of an odd one. Yeah, it lit up. Because this here goes up, this black line here goes up to this rollout switch, see it?
Yeah, okay.
So I moved these connections around and she fired up. I don't think I have another one of them. And the worst comes to worst, if you had to, you know, just temporarily jump that out, it would work. She fired right up, huh?
Yeah. When you hit that, right?
When I hit that rollout switch right there, the wires.
Keep running.
Yeah, because it was 19, it should have been 24. So we're losing a little bit of connection there.
Right.
I mean, isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it is. It was there for one night.
Really?
Yeah. Nice, fine.
Alright, so this head is loose as a goose. We got power going to it, but see how it's loose like
Yeah.
that? So that's no good. Let's shut it off and change it.
You want me to shut the
Where's the power? Where's the switch?
switch?
Shut that off there. So that's the basement one. I know that there's power to it because we just checked it. Let me just double check. There's nothing. Yeah, it's off now.
Can be the one that was in.
And this, we know this is fine. This is going down easy. We know it's not all crusty, so. I know when I was pulling it down.
You can feel it.
Yeah, feel that one went in there better.
Yeah, it didn't.
And then when it calls, it should go down easy. It wasn't, so I knew that was a problem. So it's red, white, and green. What was the dog's name again?
Toby.
Toby. Okay, that's a cool name. Red, white, and green.
Yeah, my son's dog is Kobe, so that one is Toby.
And he's got a long-haired Chihuahua.
Yeah, he's got two of them.
Red, white, and green. Wow, you got two.
He's got two little bit. No, they are really old.
I mean,
I used to have I had one for 12 years, a Chihuahua.
oh, so you know what they're like,
a
huh?
female. She passed away. She was very, very sick. So.
Really? It was red, white, and green. So the red's here.
A dog is like a kid.
Huh?
No, we don't have no kids in the house. It's like a kid to us.
Oh yeah, it's like a kid. There's red. And then the next one's white. Yeah, you get so attached to them. I know I am for my little dog. Oh shit. And then the green.
My oldest son, he's got a Yoki. That's a nice dog too.
It's gonna be yappy, no?
Oh yeah.
Is it a yapper?
He's good. He does everything outside. He doesn't do nothing in the house.
No, I mean the yapper. Is he kind of like screaming all the time, barking?
Yeah.
The yapper.
When we got there.
Not a shitter, a yapper. Right?
Yeah. When we got, every time we got there, we go to the house and he jumps all over.
Red, white, and green. Oh, we'll turn it on and we'll try it again. Who put this water heater in for you?
I did that.
Yeah, you took out the rollout switches, I could see, on the top of the Powerventer. I see you put them up top here. You hit them up top here. This. That's supposed to...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that belongs on there. How come you took it off?
Because, I don't know. It wasn't...
You need that.
Yeah?
Yeah, you need that. It's a safety for this.
Well, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can see it's all... See how it's rolling out and melting? You see that right there?
Yeah, yeah.
That's because you took the rollout switches off. You gotta put them in. What that does is that shuts the thermocouple off. If you lose power, this thing will still run and the Powerventer won't run. That's why that's melting like that. Should have that in there. Yeah, see that one's on there a lot better.
Wow.
Yeah. Better, right? Change the expansion tank. Put a new head on there. New relief valve. Purge the zones. New tridecator. The other one wasn't working. New tridecator. Purge all the zones. So it was a bad connection on a rollout switch. This was the problem right here, that we weren't getting the proper voltage to the gas valve. We're only getting like 18. It should have had like 24. So when I moved this, it fired. And then we started, the relief valve started leaking, and we found the tank was bad, the head, and the thermostat. So bad connection at rollout switch, new zone head. New tridecator, new relief valve. What the hell is that? Thermal stub. New zone valve and thermostat. Okay. New relief valve, new expansion tank, new tridecator, and purge zones. We'll put the door on and it should be good. It's going to take a little bit to heat up, but at least for now we got all the zones purged well, right? Mm-hmm. Burn here.